Hey guys, we're at it again. Today we are in the downtown, Gold Street, intersection of Gold Street and Barry Street, with Jotex boss. Are you boss?
That's what I work at, man.
Top baker. I collect a package through it. You don't really know nothing about the service, so we're not going to pressure him. But you need to start shipping with it. Where you wait for? I know she tell about the service.
I just hear about it.
Just hear about it?
So, yes,
Alright,
you can look it up and...
Yeah, perfect time for you to know about it. Remember, when you're signing up though, I tell you from now, I give you a heads up so you can get all of the benefits. When you're signing up, I want you to sign up also for a platinum membership. So when you go up on the website, sign up to the website, then you go for a platinum membership. The platinum membership though is give you 4 coupons for ship, 4 shipping free, you get for ship free 4 times for the year.
Yeah.
4 times. So start shipping from now. Yeah. Alright? Yeah. Looking forward to see you, Mr. Tex. I mean Jotex boss.
Yeah.
There you have it, Jotex boss. I'm a top baker. Never walk with no bread or no bowl. Where you bake by the way?
Everything, man.
Everything?
Bowl, taste straight.
So then taste good. Ginger bowl and them something there?
No, banana bowl.
Banana bowl. I don't know that. Banana flavor bowl. I have to go try that one there.
Yeah.
Go try that one there.
You can come buy it now.
Can buy it? Alright, man. Go walk around now. Go buy 2 bowl. Walk. Oh, let me grab the money. Let me grab the money.
Still have video?
Yeah, man.
You can cut the video now, man.
A bowl I go buy. Oh, okay. All right, drinks. Banana bula. I never have that one there yet.
Banana bula.
Oh,
regular
banana.
Bula, but the flavor.
Banana flavored bula. All right. That's supposed to full of protein. Yeah. All right, that's a method there.
Yeah.
All right, then big up yourself. We really appreciate it.
Serve.
Boss to serve. All right. Serve. Serve.